Samsung officially announced the Galaxy Z Fold 4 5G at the August Unpacked event held on 10th August. The 2022 foldable beast is the successor of the previous year's Galaxy Z Fold 3, which set record sales as soon as it launched. The tech giant also unveiled the cute foldable flagship, the Galaxy Z Flip 4, alongside the chunky Z Fold 4 at the event. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 houses a massive 7.6-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X interior display and a 6.2-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X screen as a cover display. It packs the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen Plus 1 chipset for unmatched performance. Talking to upgrades, the 4th generation Samsung Foldable saw a massive camera boost over its predecessor. In this roundup, we have covered some of the best fast chargers for Galaxy Z Fold 4 that you can buy to efficiently charge the Samsung Foldable flagship in 2022. Since the Galaxy Z Fold 4 falls under the category of PPS certified device, it is recommended to use a PPS charger to experience super fast charging. For those unaware, Programmable Power Supply (PPS) is a standard that refers to the advanced charging technology of all USB-C devices. In layman's terms, this technology delivers maximum power output based on the device's charging status by modifying voltage and current in real time. Apart from charging the compatible smartphones, all the chargers included in our list are fully compatible with almost every brand that ships USB-C and USB-A devices or gadgets. Furthermore, since most consumer electronics are going USB-C, so these chargers will come in handy more often. The Anker PowerPort 3 is hands down the best single-port USB-C charger at this point. If you often scramble out of your door with a low battery message on your phone, we are quite sure you know the importance of fast charging. With this 25-watt Galaxy Z Fold 4 super fast charger, you can easily fast charge your Fold 4 at your office. Thanks to the lightweight, pocket-friendly design, this fast USB-C charger can be stored in a limited space such as your pant pockets while you are on the go. The foldable plug designs makes it even fit in your pocket, preventing the prongs poking you from inside the pants. Since this fast charger comes with 25-watt power outlet, you can see Galaxy S21 series, iPhone 13 series, Galaxy Flip 4 and other Android devices getting more than 50% charge in mere 30 minutes or so. Like the official 25-watt Samsung USB-C charger, this one is also compatible with a range of devices, enabling the USB-C everything movement. Generally, you don't see brands offering post-purchase support for more than a year, but with Anker's impeccable 18 months warranty, you are covered for a longer duration. Despite all the pros, the price tag isn't justifiable compared to Samsung's official 25-watt charger. You can get it at a much lesser price on online shopping platforms like Amazon. Even though it is a bit expensive, we recommend that you should go with this fast charger for your Galaxy Z Fold 4. All thanks to Anker's 18 months warranty and customer support.